Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. After a long time, I'm going to the trade breakdown video, and let's break down the trade that I took on Friday. And nowadays I mostly trade the support resistance and also the market structure. And we can see I generally mark the market structure on the 50-minute time frame, and you can see market is bearish on the 15-minute time frame. It's breaking this lower low, so this is the bearish character of this market, and you can see it's breaking lower low here. And on the Friday starts from here. Yeah, on the Friday first, you can see on the Friday you can see this is the support level, which is broken by this candle, and it formed the bearish breakup structure, and it becomes the resistance for the next. It becomes the resistance for the market, and we can sell from this level. And I look for the confirmation on the 3-minute time frame for the 15-minute structure. On the 3-minute, we can see it's forming the 3-minute engulfing, and I saw this momentum on the 3-minute time frame. We can see it's forming engulfing here, and I took the trade at this level, and I put my SL up to this zone, slightly high, slightly above this zone, and then you can see it's going up to uh, 2.29 RR, but I took 1:3 RR nowadays, so this trade becomes the break even for me. And again you can see there is the another level from here. You can mark this like this, and here is market tap on this level, and I went to the 3-minute time frame, and here you can see after tapping this level, I look for like engulfing on the 3-minute time frame with the strong candle rejection from the level, and yeah, you can see there is 1, 2, and 3 candle form to 3 candle close to form this engulfing. So I did not see any momentum at this level, and after that it forms the double top here, and you can see this is the strong candle pattern for the bearish momentum, and I took sell at this level, and then I took sell trade at this level, and then my SL was above this level, and also it went up to 2.1%, 2.1 RR, and it went up, and it took my break even. And let's go to the 15-minute time frame. On the 15-minute time frame, we can see there is the bullish breakup structure, and also we can see here is the resistance level from where market is rejecting, and then broke this low. This is the high of this structure, and I look for the counter trend up to this level, and then we can see on the 3-minute time frame. On the 3-minute time frame, it formed the strong candle momentum on this bullish candle is broken by this bullish candle become engulfing by only one candle on the 3-minute time frame. So I took the trade at this level, and it also become break even trade. And after that I took the and yeah, you can see SL was above this level, and I put my trade at break even, because this is the counter trend. Market can reverse on any time. And again I look for the buy trade. I look for the buy trade. This is the bullish break of structure, and at this level, and we can see, and it forms the engulfing here by one candle only, and then I put my I took my trade at this engulfing, and my SL was below this level, slightly below this level, and then market went up to 3 RR, and then I booked my 3 RR on this trade, and I took somehow like 0.33 RR on this trade, and then this buy trade, and then I took this buy trade, and this two trade was break even. And yeah, this much for today. If you like my video, and if you want like trade breakdown video, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hope I will be active from today. Yeah, thank you so much for watching till the end.